Welcome to the Prosis Pro Shop Tools tutorial. This tutorial will give you a demonstration for Prosis Pro Shop Tools. On the left there are two sub-navigation tabs, Engine Calculator and Download Worksheets. Under the Engine Calculator tab, simply enter your information into the data input fields and then press the Calculate button. Let's type in the following fields. Next to bore, type 4.250. Next to stroke, type 3.750. Next to cylinders, type 8. Next to chamber cc's, type 94. And next to gasket thickness, type 0.040. Press the Calculate button and the results will appear on the right. In the Notes section, you can type in any comments for your calculation. For example, let's type in John's race engine. Simply press the Print button to print your calculations and notes for your records. In the Download Worksheets tab, you can download 3 worksheets: cylinder head, deck height, and engine build. Before you download, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader. Press the download button of the worksheet you need. For example, let's select deck height. A page will open, and when you hover over the bottom right corner, a menu will appear with the options to print, save, zoom, etc. To learn more about dashboard, engine specification search, how to create a custom engine, bulletins, shop counter, printing, and my account settings, we recommend watching the related tutorial videos.